Introducing Advanced Linear Gauge Custom Visual by MAQ Software. This visual allows you to review metric progress across multiple categories and hierarchies with individual targets for each category. To use the visual, import it from the marketplace into your report. After successful import, you will be able to see the Advanced Linear Gauge package in your report. To configure the visual, we will be using a sample dataset of football club expenses. Please note that this visual contains free as well as licensed features. The primary bar is for displaying and tracking your main metric. Here, we will drag revenue from the sample dataset into the visual as our primary metric. You can choose to keep a default color for all bars or set individual colors for categories in the Format pane by updating settings under Data Colors. The primary bar has formatting options under Primary Gauge settings to update the bar radius, opacity, and space between bars. Category labels can be formatted, with options available for their font style, color, size, background color, and alignment. To track goals and visualize progress, individual target for each category can be displayed by adding fields or measures under Target. We drag the predicted field from the sample dataset as our first target. Width, border and color of the target indicators can be formatted from options in the Format pane under Targets. Target labels and text within can also be styled using a host of options under Target Labels in the Formatting pane. Please note that the basic version of the visual supports one target field only. In order to use multiple fields for target, user needs to purchase premium license for the visual. When there is more than one target measure added to the visual, you have the option of turning on connector lines to connect the primary bars and their targets. Color, width, opacity and type of the connector lines can be formatted according to your preference by using options present under Connector Line Settings. In the sample report, we have achieved this configuration by reducing the opacity of the primary bars. The comparison bar allows you to display a secondary metric overlaid on the primary bar. You can choose to respect the primary gauge color or set a default color for all comparison bars. Please note that the comparison bar feature is only available to users with premium license for the visual. Premium users can also set color rules for the primary bars by turning on rules under Data Colors. The primary bars will be conditionally colored based on the value of comparison bar or target. Distinct colors can be applied for when the primary value is greater than, less than, and equal to the metric you compare against. Advanced Linear Gauge also supports cross-filtering and highlighting of data points. Drill down and sort features.